I believe you're using Facebook ads incorrectly. In this video, I'll share the top 10 mistakes you make with Facebook ads, because even if you're doing just one of these mistakes, this means you're wasting a lot of money on ads. I'm serious, and I believe that you can easily fix most of these mistakes. Let's start with mistake number 1. Imagine planting a seed in a pot. You give it water and sunlight, but you don't wait long enough for it to grow into a plant. You decide to give up and throw away the pot. What happened? You didn't give the seed enough time to grow. And you do the same thing with your Facebook ads account when you're turning off your campaigns way too early. You're not giving the possibility for your ads to reach enough people. You did all the work already. You wrote the ad copy. You set the ads campaign in the ads manager. Most likely your campaigns has not reached enough people, so you need to give it more money and time to get the desired results. But also the opposite is true, and this leads us to mistake number 2. Imagine you're driving a car and the engine starts making a strange noise. You ignore it and you keep driving and driving, hoping it will go away, but the noise gets worse and finally your engine breaks. This happens in Facebook ads if you leave the wrong campaigns working for way too long. You should know when to turn off the campaign, and you need to be checking daily of what's working and what's not working. The way I do it, when I go to the office, the first thing would be to check my ads. I check my ads multiple times during the day, and you really need to get good with this, because if you keep running underperforming ads, you're wasting your money. These ads are not generating leads, these ads are not generating sales, so you're better off turning them off and investing your money in ads that are actually working. But what if none of your ads are delivering results? Then you're probably making mistake number 3. Imagine you're trying to sell a delicious cake to someone. You spent a lot of time to make the cake, but you put the cake on a dirty plate, covered in a layer of dust. And when you go to the market, what's going to happen? Nobody will buy your cake because it looks unappealing. Similarly, if your ad copy and creative are not good, not persuasive, not engaging, people will not click on your ads and you're not going to make any sales. I don't say that your ads need to look fancy. I say that your ads need to serve the goal of getting the right attention from someone. I say your ads need to serve the goal of getting someone's attention, and in some cases that's achieved even with ugly ads. So far so good, but what if you're still not getting good results? This brings me to mistake number 4. Imagine you have a lemonade stand and you make $5 each time you sell a cup of lemonade. This means that your average customer order value is $5. The mistake a lot of people make is they go to Facebook ads with a very low average customer value. I'm gonna be honest with you, Facebook ads might be expensive, so think of ways on how to make people spend more money with your business. If your average customer order value is $5 and the cost per click on Facebook ads cost you $1, this means you need to buy $100 worth of clicks to get $1 sale if your website converts at 1%. Numbers don't make any sense here. That's why you need to figure out ways to increase your average order value. A good strategy to increase the AOV is to upsell something more expensive. Now, you probably have days when the cost per result is higher than you'd like it to be. Well, this is because you're making mistake number 5. Imagine you give your credit card or debit card to boyfriend, girlfriend, wife, spouse, and you tell them, go to the mall and buy whatever you want. Spend how much money you want to spend. How much money will they spend? I'm pretty sure that if you don't give them a threshold, you spend a lot. And this is what happens in Facebook ads when you use automatic bidding. With this type of bidding, you spend the whole budget, no matter if you get any results or not. It's kind of like giving your card to Mark Zuckerberg and telling him, spend all the money I have. Now, there is a way to tell Facebook only to spend money if they believe they'll be able to get you profitable sales and leads. When setting up a campaign, instead of using highest volume, try switching to cost cap or cost per result. That's your way of telling Facebook only to spend money if they believe they'll get you a cost per conversion you can afford. Of course, there might be another reason why your ads are not working, and this has a lot to do with mistake number 6. Imagine you're driving a car. If you don't have a destination in mind, you're not going to get anywhere. Similarly, if you don't set the right objective for your Facebook ads, you're not going to get the desired results. By setting the right objective, you ensure that your Facebook ads are effective and you're getting the results you want. So if your end goal with Facebook ads is to get sales, optimize your campaigns for purchases. If your end goal is to generate leads, optimize your campaigns for leads. But of course, it is not that simple because there is something else, and this brings us to mistake number 7. Imagine you're a record player stuck on a loop. The same song is playing all over and over and over, and it's getting boring. Similarly, if you're running the same Facebook ad campaigns over and over again, your audience will get bored. They'll start ignoring your ads and you won't get any clicks. To get better results from your Facebook ads campaigns, you need to make changes and experiment with different things. This means changing your ad copy, your ad creative, your targeting, or even your bidding strategy. But if you change way too much, it's probably you're making mistake number 8, and it's short and painful, but you listen to business gurus way too much and you don't take enough of the right action. Most of these people are just talking and never doing the things they talk about. On top of that, things that are working for them might not work for you. So instead of changing your mind and your strategy every single day, commit to something that you believe will work in your position and really take the right action. I know it's gonna sound counterintuitive, so my advice here would be to listen to nobody and follow what your heart truly desires. And to be honest, if you're making the next mistake, Facebook ads will never work for you no matter what you do. And this is mistake number 9. Are you selling ice to Eskimos? Are you selling something that people don't want to buy? No matter if you hire a 20K per month fancy Facebook ads agency, you're not going to make Facebook ads work, and you'll never be able to run profitable ads because 60% of your Facebook ads success will depend on how desirable your product is. Is your product or service something people really want to buy? The more desirable the product, the easier it will be to run your Facebook ads. If you have a product that's hot and trendy, Facebook ads will be extremely easy. So instead of trying to sell ice to Eskimos, try selling them food or shelter. That's something they need and want. Now let's talk about the most common mistake you make, and this is mistake number 10. Facebook ads are not working. And what do? You blame the economy, you blame Mark Zuckerberg, you blame the competition, but the problem is you. It's simply because you're not doing enough. Your offer is not working, change it, make it more attractive. People are not clicking on your ads, change your ad copy, improve your ad creative. Your media bar is underperforming, hire somebody else. Your Facebook ads agency is charging you way too much, maybe learn how to run ads yourself. And if you want to learn ads yourself, make sure you check out my video titled Fastest Way to Learn Facebook Ads and Actually Make Money. In this video, I'll share how I went from complete beginner to making my first 10K per month in less than 2 years. So I'll see you there. Here's the link to the video. If you really want to get your Facebook ads to the next level, feel free to check out my online course, the Targeting Academy, link in the description below. I will show you how I use Facebook ads targeting to get insane results. Check out my course, make sure you subscribe to the channel, go watch all my videos in order starting from the oldest one. Just kidding. This is it, I guess. Thank you for watching.